Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our Canva course for from basic to advanced. And for this chapter, which is chapter number 3 or lesson number 3, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and do exporting. So why am I showing you exporting in our third lesson? Now, as this is a basic to advanced course, I want to show you all the basics first. So exporting is part of a basic procedure. While if you're done with your project, you can publish or export, right? You can publish it to direct websites, post it direct websites directly from Canva, or you can just save them locally as well. And I'll be showing you how you can do for both cases. So without further wasting any more time, let's go ahead, dive right into the lesson and see how you can go ahead and do export at the same time with a bonus, how you can publish or post it online as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see over here, I have opened up our previous project where I showed you the basic elements, right? So how do you export? So you will find an option to share on the top right corner of Canva, which is this part over here. As you can see, share. Or you can also send to teacher if you want to send to teacher as well. But that's okay. Let's go to share and see what we have. So if I were to go to share over here, as you can see, people with access to it, edit. So you can add people, groups, or class. You can share it with other people as well. Now you can have a collaboration link. So as you can see, Design Pro, anyone with the link can access. So collaboration link, who can access? You can have Design Pro, anyone from Design Pro can access the design using this link, or anyone with the link can access this. Then you have it post to, like, this is some quick shortcuts, Instagram present. You can add it to a presentation. You can add it to a Google Classroom. You can also have a public view link as well. So people publicly who will click on that link can access it, but not edit it. So they can only view it or spectate it. Then you can have the download option over here. So if I were to go ahead and click on the download option, now it's going to go ahead and move you forwards towards saving your project to a local device. So you have the file type over here. You have various forms. You have JPEG or JPG. You have a PNG. You have PDF standard. You have PDF print. You have SVG, which is very, very good for graphics designing if you want to put this SVG file into any kind of other graphics designing software. Then you have MP4 video. So if you're working with videos, you can save it as MP4 videos, and you can also save your project as a GIF or GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it. Then you can have a transparent background. So if you're working with any kind of logo, you can add the transparent background check over here for you to have an access to it. Then you can compress the file to lower quality. Then you can also save your download settings as well. Then if you were to click on download, it's going to go ahead and download it, and a file browser will pop out, or file explorer will pop out, and you can direct towards the specific file where it has been downloaded. Then here you have the share to social. So underneath share to social over here, you have Instagram, you have Facebook page, you have Twitter, you have Facebook group, you have TikTok, Facebook story, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, Tumblr. So all of these are self-explanatory. You can share it on Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, Facebook group. So you can share it in a Facebook group as well. You can share it on TikTok, Facebook stories. So these are all self-explanatory. Now the unique part is the schedule button over here. So if I were to go ahead and click on schedule button, as you can see, connect Instagram business via Facebook. So you can connect your social media to Canva. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and directly share them or share them on the specific social media platform. You can schedule it. So you can select, let's say, a channel, you can write a caption, and you can publish now as well. And you can set the date and the time where this post will be uploaded. So you can schedule your upload or publish or share as well. So that's basically it with exporting. It's pretty simple and straightforward here in Canva. And I'll be seeing you in the next lesson.